as a 3-0 person. Zero net carbon emissions, zero wealth concentration through building social businesses only, and zero unemployment by turning themselves into entrepreneurs. Each person will grow up as a 3-0 person and will remain a 3-0 person all his or her life. That will create the new civilization.
পাশাপাশি জীবাশ্ম জ্বালানির সম্পূর্ণ ব্যবহার বন্ধ করে নবায়নযোগ্য জ্বালানির ব্যবহার বাড়াতে বিশ্ববাসীর প্রতি আহ্বান জানান ডক্টর ইউনূস।
In order to survive, we need to create another civilization, another culture, a counterculture which is based on a different lifestyle. It will be based on zero waste. It will limit consumption to essential needs, leaving no residual waste. This lifestyle will also be based on zero carbon.